Have you ever witnessed a snowstorm transform a soccer match? In 1982, the Northfield Knights found themselves amidst swirling winter chaos during a crucial game. As the snow thickened, visibility dropped, but the spirit of the spectators rose to the occasion. Fans rushed onto the field, shovels in hand, clearing paths for their heroes. With a half-cleared pitch, star striker Jenny executed an improbable sliding goal, sealing an unexpected victory. This remarkable display of community effort and untamed winter magic left a lasting legacy, turning this frozen challenge into a cornerstone of the Knights' history.